Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some Riverdale quizzes. I've been super excited about this video. I love Riverdale. I watch it every week. Normally I watch it on Thursday just because I don't have a time on Wednesday night to watch it. But I love it, and I'm so glad that they renewed for season 3. So I'm just going to be taking a couple Riverdale quizzes just to see what kind of characters I am and all of that. So if you guys want to take these quizzes with me or just watch and see what my results are, then keep on watching. Let's go. So I just searched Riverdale quizzes on my phone. I'm going to do which Riverdale character are you? We're gonna do begin game, and it says the first question, let's go to Pop's dinner. Order a shake, please. One looks like a caramel coffee shake. One is just the regular ones that they have in the episodes, the strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. One is like a candy one, a fruit one, a banana one, and I believe like a protein shake one. I am gonna choose the coffee shake because that one looks really good. So it says now choose the high school subject that best suits you. English plus literature, math plus science, physical education, art plus music, world history, or foreign language. I think I am going to choose physical education. Pick kind of what group you belong in the high school. Do you belong in the popular group, the jock group, the nerd group, the smart kids group, the theater kids, the rebels? I am going to say I've always wanted to be a popular kid, so I'm just going to say that. Do you believe in rules? Yes, but they are meant to be broken. Yes, we should always follow the rules, or rules please. I'm gonna say yes, but they are meant to be broken. Black, red, pink, or blue. I'm going to choose, I wear black a lot and I really like the color black, so I'm just gonna say black. Give your style a letter grade. I think I have really good fashion when it comes to like going to church, getting dressed up, hanging out with friends, so I'm gonna say an A. Are you a lover or are you a fighter? I am going to say I'm a lover. I don't fight, so pick a word, any word. Protection, wealth, innocence, heartthrob, humor, or subtask. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. We're going to choose wealth because I like money. What did you want to be when you grew up? A writer, musician, actor, engineer, doctor, comedian. I've always wanted to be an actor. You prefer to live in a small town, big city? I really don't care. I love big cities, so I would automatically choose big city. You have a crush on someone. Make your feelings known immediately. Flirt with your crush tirelessly. Ignore your feelings. Your crush probably doesn't even like you that way anyways. Awkwardly ask them on a date. I don't have a crush. No one is good as me. That one's actually funny. I'm going ignore your feelings, because that's what I do. Once I find out that I like someone, I ignore them because I just think that's kind of embarrassing. It's Saturday. What are you doing? Shopping, playing music, studying, writing in your journal, house chores, or sailing. Normally I do house chores or shopping, so I'm just going to choose shopping. Choose a U.S. city. New York, San Francisco, Portland, Boston, or Los Angeles. I'm going to say New York because I've always wanted to visit New York just because of it's a big town and it's super beautiful. Do you gravitate towards good or bad people? Good people. I don't really like bad people. How peppy are you? I'm as peppy as they come, somewhat peppy. I hate peppy. I hate peppy, but I feel like sometimes I can be peppy when I'm like really excited, so I'm just going to say somewhat peppy. Choose an after school activity. Football, cheerleading, band, school newspaper, none of the above. I don't really like any of these, so I'm just going to say none of the above. Choose your favorite season. Winter, summer, spring, or fall. I love fall because it's like warm but cold kind of, and it's my birthday. Like my birthday falls in the fall season, but I absolutely love summer, so I'm going to choose summer because summer I get to go swimming, I get tan. I just love summer, so I just chose summer. Did you ever join the South Side Serpents? I think it'd be cool to be one of them, but I don't think I have the guts to do what they do because they're very strong and they stick together and they don't break rules and stuff, and I don't think I can belong to them at all. Do you feel misunderstood? Sometimes, always, or never. I'm going to say sometimes because people can understand you all the time. Did you go to parties in high school? Nope. Yes, all the time. I'm going gonna say nope because I'm a good person and I just never do those kind of things. But your relationships with your parents is amazing, sometimes great, sometimes not so great, terrible. I'm gonna say sometimes great, sometimes not so great because it's a bumpy road. Like sometimes I love them and then sometimes I'm like, you guys are annoying, leave me alone. So I mean, it all depends in the moment. Do you worry too much? Definitely. That's why I have so many stress, anxiety things. Have you ever been caught in a love triangle? Yes. Haven't we all? No. Can't say that I have. Can't say that I have. Would you ever break the law to help your friends? Yes, it depends on the situation. Never breaking the law is always wrong. I'm going to say it depends on the situation because if it's something bad, I'm not going to break the law because that is just not who I am. How do you feel about hats? I love hats or hate them, but I love them. I wear a hat like every single day. Not every single day, but I wear hats and stuff. Like I love beanies. If it's cold, I wear a normal hat. If it's bad hair day or if I don't feel like doing my hair or if I just don't look good, I love wearing baseball hats. So I love wearing hats in general. Next question is, you prefer money, power, or love? Money, but I do like power and love, but I feel like money would be more best suited for me. As a teenager, you were quiet, sweet, sassy, beloved, quippy. I'm gonna say I was a sassy teenager because I always wanted my way, and if I didn't get it. Have you ever been to a drive-in movie theater? No, but I've heard of them. No, what's that? Of course. I have actually been to a drive-in movie theater. Life is all about taking care of the ones you love, being hot and rich, finding yourself. I think finding yourself is such a huge key because if you don't find who you really are, then you're not going to be happy in life. A dessert, pie, cake, or ice cream. I would say I love some chocolate cakes or cake. Veronica Lodge right here, and it says, you're beautiful, sophisticated, and a true transcendent. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. You also exclude confidence and aren't afraid to go after things you want. So for the next quiz I'm going to do another quiz, but it's not going to be Riverdale related. It's going to be about Friends because I hit the next quiz and I love the show Friends. It's actually on in the TV for the background right now. But I love watching Friends. Anytime it's on, I watch it. It's amazing. So we're just going to do this. So basically this video is just going to be about taking random quizzes about what kind of characters you are. So the first is, pick your coffee order at Central Perk. Cappuccino with a pretty design on top, espresso, chai tea latte, regular coffee with sugar, caramel macchiato, or superfood vegan roast. I'm gonna do caramel macchiato or caramel, however you guys pronounce it, but I love those. I get them at Starbucks all the time. Next question is, at this moment, which of the following things do you want most in your life? A spouse, a baby, a great job, a friend, a new hobby, a sandwich. I want both. I want all of these on the list, but right now I think I would want a family. So in order to start a family, I think a spouse. So I'm just going to say a spouse. Do you want or have kids? Yes, I have baby fever. I'm not entirely sure. No way, Jose. Yes, I've always wanted to start a family of my own. So yes, I want my own kids. So I'm going to say yes, I have baby fever. Is it easy for you to share food? No, back off and get your own. It depends on the food. I'm very generous. I think it depends on the food because if it's chocolate lava cake, I do not share. And if you guys are my friends, you guys know I do not share chocolate lava cake because that is my holy grail. What F word describes your personality most? Flirty, friendly, fair, funny, fastidious, or frank? I am going to say friendly. Just because I love being nice to people, and a lot of people say, oh, when they meet me at first, they think I'm really cute and friendly and stuff, so I'm just gonna say friendly. Pick an instrument that you'll exile at most: drums, guitar, keyboard, my voice, triangle, or tambourine. I am going to say, I've always wanted to be a famous, not a famous, but a really good singer like Adele or Rihanna. I've just always wanted to be known for my voice or something, so I think my voice would be one. So this is kind of the same what we had in Riverdale. It says, what's your relationship like with your parents? Amazing, not terrible, but not amazing. Not the best and non-existent. I'm gonna say not terrible, but not amazing. It's a rainy Friday night. Which movie are you watching? Juno, The Devil Wears Prada, Jurassic Park, Bridesmaid, Love Actually, or American Pie? Bridesmaids is good. Jurassic Park's good. I've watched American Pie. The only movie I haven't seen on here is The Devil Wears Prada. And I love Juno. And I haven't seen Juno in forever, so I'm going to say Juno. Which of these animals do you want to pet the most? A cat, a chicken, a monkey, a duck, a tarantula, or a dog? I'm going to say a cat because I love cats. I have a cat right now and he's amazing. Would you ever date a good friend? No, that would be weird. Sure, why not? I'm going to say sure, why not, because you never know. You never know. Pick a city for your vacation. Paris, London, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, or New York. I think it depends. Since friends already live in New York, I wouldn't do that. I would go to Paris. I think that would be cool to see the Eiffel Tower and just to try all their different desserts. Which of the following quotes sounds like something you'll say? Why do bad things happen to good people? I'm gonna go get one of those job things. I'm not a blah, I'm a hoot. Pizza, we like pizza. I can't have a mimosa. I'm on vacation. I've got this under control. Yeah, I've got this uncontrollable need to please people. I'm gonna say why do bad things happen to good people because I feel like I say that a lot. True or false? Ross and Rachel were on a break. I'm still not entirely sure. False or true? I'm going to say no. I'm going to say false. And the reason why I am saying false, and just to if you guys are friends, just in case you guys like Friends or something, I'm just going to tell you why I think they were not on a break, because when Rachel and Ross were fighting or whatever, they were still angry at each other, and I think they were just wanting to separate for the night just so they can have a night alone so they can think or whatever. And then Ross took it the wrong way. But that's what I personally think, is because if you're mad at each other and you have a big giant fight, a lot of times you just want to separate and just think by yourself and just have this alone time just so you guys can see, is your relationship going somewhere, is it not, and all of that. So I think that is a huge concept. It says right here, I got Rachel. It says, you'll really hit the jackpot with Rachel as your right-hand woman. She's affordable, royal, and always brings out the best in everyone around her. Honestly, we all wish we could be more like Rachel. I agree. I really love Rachel. She is a great character. She's probably one of my favorite characters. I love Phoebe too. But I just love the whole cast of Friends. I wish they would make a movie or do a season 11, because they only have 10 seasons, which I mean is still a lot. I'm not saying only because it's not a lot, but they only have 10 seasons. But I think they should make an 11th season of 2018 and where they all have who's with who, what's their family like, what's their kids like, all of that. What happened to Joey? Did Phoebe and Mike, I believe it is, did they start their own family? Did Rachel and Ross actually stick together and get married and have more kids? What happened to Rachel and Ross's one daughter, Emma? What happened to Ben, Ross's one child? Wrap everything together to say where we are and where we're not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys want to play one of those quizzes, I will leave a link down below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching my video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.